I'ma take my shirt off, throw it in the back, back. I'ma take my shirt off, throw it in the back. I'ma take my shirt off, back, back. Throw it in the back. I'ma take my shirt off, throw it in the back, back. I'ma take my shirt off, throw it in the back. I'ma take my shirt off, back, back. Throw it in the back. I'ma take my shirt off, throw it in the back, back. I'ma take my shirt off, throw it in the back. I'ma take my shirt off, back, back. Throw it in the back. I'ma take my shirt off, throw it in the back, back. I'ma take my shirt off, back, back. I'ma take my shirt off.
Breakfast time. So I'm gonna get pistachio bombolone. Bili lang kami dito ng breakfast na baon namin sa train. So nandito kami sa Zuing ngayon, and then 2 stops lang nasa Chiayi na tayo. So mga biik, nandito na kami sa Chiayi Station at exactly 9:06 AM. So, pipila na kami ngayon sa bus papuntang Alishan, and hopefully, kasi marami siyang chinek namin online kahapon, yung reservation is full na. So, ayun yung mga Pinoy na kasama namin nagmamadali na din. So ayun, hopefully, makasakay kami. Or meron pang bus papuntang Alishan na makakasakay kami. So, ito yung Chiayi Station. Sir, can we board without ticket?
Huh?
Can we board without ticket? Paper ticket.
And just the
Just line up.
that's the line.
Line.
Okay,
Okay. Thank you, Sasha.
Ano daw?
Pwede daw.
Show the driver.
So, wala kaming ticket ni Makoy. Pwede daw mag-board ng nakatayo sa arawan. Ito, may mga nakita kaming vloggers and tiktokers. Ay mga biig, so time check, it's 9:41 AM here in Chiayi. And wala kaming nabook na ticket sa bus, so magtatap lang kami. And napansin namin is yung having a reservation doesn't really secure you a spot. So may mag-a-assist sa inyo dito. Pag meron na kayo ng ticket, ng paper ticket, pakita nyo na lang agad para priority kayong pumasok sa train. So yun, nakaalis na yung bus na 9:42. Ito, tas may mga nag-aalok ng van, 500 NTD per person. So so ito, yung naka-gray. So dumating kami dito ng 9:06 AM and time check, it's 10:10 na. Dalawang bus na yung nakaalis, and ang pinaprioritize yung may mga reserve tickets na napapalitan na nila ng physical tickets sa Family Mart. Yun. So huwag nyo kaming gagayahin, guys. Kung ayaw yung mas stress, mag-book kayo online. I will link down below the website for you to create your for you to
To book.
book your
Meron din
ticket.
namang other ways para pumunta doon. So, kapag ang route nyo is TRA station, parang mas mataas yung frequency ng bus doon. So, mas maraming bus na bumabiyahe to Alishan. So, better na doon kayo bumaba if ayaw nyo ma-hassle. Kasi dito parang 3 lang yung bumabiyahe sa isang araw. So, better pa rin sa TRA. So, pag wala na kaming chance dito, doon talaga kami.
Yes.
Last
And
na yung 11.
we're just waiting for the 723A bus
11.
around
11
11.
a.m.
So, 2 hours
Well,
na kami makatayo dito.
Yung dun din kasi sa TRA, parang 11 na din yung darating na bus papunta dun sa station. So, hintayin na rin namin dito yung 7329.
Yes. Update namin kayo later. Finally, tumating na yung 7329. Ayan, isisigaw niyo may mga ticket muna. So, pag nag-book kayo sa Klook, it doesn't give you the priority pass para pumasok agad. Ito lang gamit namin. Ako yung iPass card ko. Si Makoy yung Easy card. Finally, papasok na kami. Makasakay na.
上车，上车。
You wanna stay here? So, dito sa bus, medyo mabaho. So, feeling namin yung amoy ng plastic. Ito, oh. Pag naiinitan. So, anong gamit mong bala? Para hindi ka mabahuan.
From Thailand. From Vietnam.
From Vietnam. Ako naman, itong gamit kong bala. Para, kasi 2-in-1 na siya. May inhaler, poison, saka itong liniment. So, ayan, nakapasok na kami guys after 3 hours. And meron ditong tourist information services kung meron kayong kailangan. And ito very helpful screenshot nyo na lang. Ito yung, di ba pinapasakay tayo ng Zhaoping? Ayan o, ito yung mga oras ng train. So, 2:05 ngayon. 2:05. Ito, 2:30 biik, merong train. Papunta ng Zhaoping Station.
Yun.
Ayun.
So, yun yung ating
Oo, full fare 100.
Heart filled with worries, no more. In a world full of sorrow, what for? You watch the world.
So yung full fare niya is 300 NTD. Pero dahil meron kaming bus ticket, may discount. So share. Napansin ko lang na hindi masyadong nag-i-English yung mga staff nila dito. Yan. So, be ready. Alishan Station.
It all seems so harmless. A silver line. Don't you wait until.
Papunta na kami ngayon sa Alishan Station. Medyo may 5-minute walk siya. We're here in Alishan Station. Wooden pala yung nila dito. Wooden vibes. Charing. Hingal na. Eto. So, alam ko two-way siya. Ito, Zhoushan line tickets. Sana marami pa kaming time dito kasi yung saya sana explore. Kaso yun nga. Eh,
基本上现在就是
buzzer beater.
就是往身上这一道
谢谢。
所要時間は
may logo.
約6分です。승객 여러분, 안녕하세요. 이번
I can just... I just...
이 열차는 구간 열차.
Rich in life because we get to see and ride the Alishan train. Ay, if you're wondering kung gaano kalamig, it's 10 degrees Celsius. Ang mga naghahanap pa ng mga cherry blossom, napakadaming variation dito. Dito siya sa Zhaoping Station. So, time check, it's 2:41 p.m. So, yung kaninang pinakita namin sa inyo, yung wooden train ng Alishan na, if I'm not mistaken, Wednesday lang siya and may isa pang
Tuwing
araw eh.
Wednesday lang daw.
Hindi, may isa pang araw eh.
Hindi tuwing Wednesday.
At tuwing Wednesday lang. So, kung pupunta kayo dito,
Better na
highly recommend
Wednesday.
na Wednesday. And hindi naman namin ina-expect na wooden yung maaabutan namin. So,
Perfect.
tapos sobrang ganda ng vibe dito. As inch. Worth it puntahan no?
Oo.
Sobra.
Godspeed. We travel with hope in our minds.
Nagfa-fog dito sa part na to. It's 10 degrees Celsius lang ah. I mean, not lang. It's 10 degrees Celsius.
We're all strangers to this land.
Can we just say it's so unreal?
Grabe.
Parang hindi siya totoo. Sobrang ganda. Ito na ba yung Sisters Pond? O hindi ba? Ito yun. Ang ganda na agad. Dito pa lang.
Ganda ng
Umuwi na tayo.
Tara na.
Every step leads away from home. New stars so bright on the edge of the night. One spark and the world begins again.
Ang breathtaking dito, yun lang masasabi ko. As in, ikaw.
Grabe, ang ganda naman dito.
Punta
Worth
kayo
it na
dito ng
pumunta
super
dito.
maaga.
Sobrang worth it.
From home.
brothers. There are 3 straight-up Taiwan red cypress trees growing side by side on top of the remaining stumps. Ooh!
Yan ang mga cypress trees.
Oo nga. So medyo may may guide naman. So hindi ka super maliligaw. So 395 meters to Shouzen Temple. Parang every corner is very Instagram worthy. The pig-shaped old stump. Hala! Biik Adventures. Charis. Asan yung pig?
Ayun.
Medyo nangayayat na siya.
Mm-mm.
So, dun kami galing ni Makoy sa Tuktok, which is around 350 meters. So, kung may kasama kayong senior, hindi ko siya marirecommend kasi sobra niyang tarik. Anyways, pagdating dito sa baba, sobrang ganda. Punong-puno ng bulaklak. With matching fog. Thank you, Lord. Kasi napupuntahan na natin yung mga bansa, yung mga lugar na hindi pa natin dating nabivisit.
Ang ganda. Thank you, Lord.
To more new places and adventures.
You go. Why did you cut me up, bring me out, and leave me high and dry?
So doon kami galing and then eto na ata yung Shouzen Temple. Tapos may mga kainan dito. And of course, yung cherry blossom, sobrang dami pa din dito.
When I was goodbye, remember the flicker, the faded away.
So ito na nga, nakatayo kami sa bus. Because mamimili ka lang, may iwanan ka dito or tatayo ka ng bus. So, ayan. This is a 3-hour drive pabalik ng Chiai. Good luck for us. Thank you so much for watching our vlog, mga biik. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to the Biik Adventures.